Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Bosal Tech, and here I am going to show you that in one video 3 website of mining website where you can mine USDT, BNB and Tron TRX for free without deposit. You can also take withdraw from this magnificent mining platform. Now I am going to show you that withdraw proof of this website. First of all, just need to click on withdrawal option now, enter your required amount over here and click on firm request now. You can see that this website paid us directly. Now come to my faucet account, and here I am going to show you that to refresh it to show you that withdraw proof of this website. You can see that I got USDT in my faucet account right now. All thing is in normal mode. You can also earn a huge benefit, and you can also get free mining platform from here. Now welcome back friend, and in this video you will learn how to mine USDT for free. You can mine free USDT from here without any deposit, without any obstacle. And the question is that can you take withdraw from here freely? Yes, you can take withdraw freely from here, and you will get free hash rate power as a bonus. You can deposit here through these 5 cryptocurrencies. You can deposit here through Tron TRX, Litecoin, Dogecoin, BNB and USDT also available to make deposit. More scroll down, you can check out statistics of this website. 29 days of working, 355 USDT already deposit paid out, and 1142 USDT already deposited by 15,900 user already working on this website. Now the question is that how can you reach here? I will provide the link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time. Here you need to enter your FaucetPay email address. Just need a FaucetPay email address to start mining in this website. Enter your email address, get started, click on get started. You can see your money will start here automatically. If you can't deposit it, then you will get 50 mAh hash rate power for free. I already make deposit, that's why I have 1550 mAh hash rate power for free. And you can see that my earning depend upon my hash rate power. In one day I can generate 0.03875 USDT, and in one day, in 3 days, in 5 days and in 1 week you can earn and get a huge benefit from here. Here we also have calculator. If you can calculate here, now if you want to get only 1500 mAh hash rate power, you have to deposit here only 1.5 USDT. Now if you want to get 15,000 mAh hash rate power, now if you can make deposit of 15 USDT in this website, then you can generate in 1 USDT in 3 days from this website. How can you buy speed? Just need to click on buy speed option now, and you can deposit here through these 5 cryptocurrencies and enter your required amount over here, which is 1500 mAh hash rate power. If you want to increase, you can increase here, enter 15,000 mAh hash rate power, and you have to deposit only 15 USDT to get 1 USDT in just 3 days. Click on buy now option, and this website bring you into your FaucetPay account like this one. As you can see that here you need to select your USDT currency like this one and click on proceed to payment. You can deposit 15 USDT to get 15,000 mAh hash rate power in this website for free and easily. In this way you can also join these 2 cryptocurrencies website, which is BNB mining website and Tron TRX mining website. To join this website to earn a huge benefit. If you can't do this, then we have referral tools option, and here you go to your affiliate link. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. For each referral deposit, you will receive 10% of the deposit amount from your each referral deposit. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now if you have any query or question about this related website, you can ask me in the comment section. Now if you can get benefit from this website, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified yourself about my all upcoming latest video. Hopefully you like it, you love it.